Okay, I'm done with this one. So I'm done with this. I'm done with them. Now remember, one is 8.5, while the other one is 9 inches. They are both, the length are both the same, but the difference is one is 8.5 and the other one is 9 inches. Please take note. Now at this point, you will bring out the one that the width is 8.5, not the one that is having 9 inch, the one with 8.5. Then you take this bias. This is webbing, is a lighter version. You just cover the edge, one of the edge, one side of this rectangle. You cover it just the way it is on this video. Then you place it on your zip cloth. I don't know, you can zoom it in so that you will see. You place it on your zip cloth and sew on it top. Please be careful so that you not sew on the place the zip head will pass, because once you sew there, it will be difficult for the zip head to pass through. So you do that. See, the sewing is away from the zip, the walkway. So the next thing we want to do is to